Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product from Delta. This is Nicoli series and it is for kitchen faucet. This is absolutely gorgeous piece. As you can see here, it has really nice large arc, and you can see it looks really beautiful, and it has nice sprayer. So once you pull out the sprayer, you can see here it has really cool feature. You can just press the button here, it will just change the water coming out from this around this thing. Like you can see, it has nice rubber pieces. It will just give you some kind of jet flashing water, so to just clean up surface, clean up some heavy dishes and things like that. So once you are ready, it can just go back on its place. It has magnet here, and this pull out is weighted, so you have this weight goes onto this black hose here, which is for the pull down. Whenever you finish, this weight will just pull it down the hose, and it will just go inside and just click on its own. So in case you have 3-hole existing setup and uh, you want to just use this thing, it will cover the other holes with this, and you will just have this place here. But if you don't, you have only single hole, that is okay as well. You have this piece here, the rubber piece, which will go underneath here, so that you can have a nice seal setup on your countertop. And it also comes with you can see here, it comes with the hose already, and it has an indicator that this is for the hot water and this is for the cold. And once you connect everything, you can see here, this will go here, and you have to make sure this blue part goes on top of this to secure everything in place, so this doesn't come out with the pressure. So you have to use this blue thing, and you also have this thing here, which will use this nut to secure everything underneath the cabinet. Using this attachment, you will just place this underneath the cabinet, and then use this screw and just secure it here, or you can just use these flip screws and just push everything. You have options, so but I would suggest using both and just securing it so it won't move. So overall, really nice, good quality product. You can see the operation of the knob is very easy. It just moves very smoothly, and you get really good quality here. I really like the way it looks. You can see here it's very shiny, and it doesn't really leave like fingerprint, which is really a good feature. So I think that's all I can talk about it. So thank you for watching.